unboxing from Amazon with new chargers. 6-foot lightning, USB Type-C to lightning port, and the Amazon Basics brand 30-watt USB Type-C charger. Let's get this open and I'll be right back. Guys, we got the Amazon bag open. Love Amazon. Here goes the cable right here. It's a 6-foot, see? iPhone, iPod, iPad, or iPad, iPod, whatever. And here goes the Amazon 30-watt charger, see? Amazon Basics. 30-watt charger. Let's get this open. Trying to hurry up. There we go. Let's get this open so you guys can see it. There we go. See, it's a small charger, so I like it. It's compact, it's small. Let's get this paper out the way. Here we go. This is what it looks like. It's a 30-watt charger. I don't know why my iPhone's not auto-focusing. There we go. It says Amazon Basics on it. Looks nice. It has a little blue light so you can know when your phone is charging. And now let's get this USB Type-C to lightning port open. Cut my nails, so now I don't got nothing to grip this tape with. So I'm sorry about this, guys. I'm trying to do this the best way I can. And it's hard. I need something best on a tripod. I think that's the next thing I'm gonna order from Amazon. A tripod to make my life easier. All right. Sorry about the background. I am in the dining room. My family is watching TV. There we go. Chargers in here for some odd reason. Never seen this type of packaging for the charger. Okay. So. There we go. So crazy unboxing, but here goes the 6-foot charger. It's breaded. I highly recommend it. I used this one before and I love it. This brand. Look at it right there. Flip it around so you guys can see the brand. There you go. And this is the 30-watt charger. So these are my new accessories for my iPhone's charge. 30 watt, and this supports the 30-watt fast charging. So 30 watts are going to go into my iPhones. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. You are ready, and thank you for watching.